Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping from World's Greatest Medical on YouTube. Oh, and at Greatest Medical on Instagram. Speaking of which, let's take a look at some incredible Instagram pops and medical moments. Before we get going, please click the subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you get all our updates. I'd like to start with this clip, which we believe is a dilated pore of Weiner. However, leave a comment below. Is this a dilated pore or an epidermoid cyst? Next is an ear blackhead that we may have seen before. It's an oldie but goodie. Here is a lip growth being removed through a surgical procedure. We don't actually know the original source. It appears to be Japanese. If you do know the source, send us a direct message so we can give them credit. This ear pimple is being popped with a bobby pin. I think they need a pimple popper kit like this. I'll put a link below to the best deal for your money. And this pop isn't as big, but at least they have a comedone extractor. While I show you a few more clips and definitions, I want to thank everybody who subscribes to the page. And I'd especially like to thank those subscribers who comment and share our videos. I love making this kind of content and wouldn't be able to do it without you. And we rely on our Amazon store as our sole revenue source, so please visit us at m7amazon.com. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinergy. Thinergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinergy, and I think it'll work for you.